Frequency of polygons. A frequency of polygons can also be drawn independently without drawing histogram. Cumulative frequency polygons. Cumulative frequency are plotted in addition of plots that point above the exact limit of the interval, such as a cumulative polygons give a picture of the number of observations that fall below in a certain score instead of the frequency within a class interval. Cumulative frequency polygons. A cumulative percentage polygon is more useful than there is more than one frequency distribution with unequal number of observations. The following figure shows the cumulative frequency polygons and cumulative percentage polygons respectively of the data in table 7.3. Polygon and cumulative percentage polygon respectively of the data and table 7.3. These cumulative frequency polygons are useful to be obtained a number of summary measures. The graphs display objective pronounced as chive curves and again the images and computer generated output using a statistic software. Cumulative frequency polygons of test score of college student. Cumulative percentage polygon of test scores of college student.